and today we're diving deep into the world of data, the lifeblood of the future. If you've ever wondered how to become a data analyst and ride the wave of this booming field, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to take to become a successful data analyst in 2025. No more feeling lost or overwhelmed. Consider this your personal blueprint for success. We'll uncover the skills you need, the tools you'll master, and the strategies to make you stand out from the crowd. This is more than just a career path. It's about unlocking a world of opportunities and becoming a highly sought-after professional. So if you're ready to unlock your potential, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's get real, guys. Being a data analyst isn't about being a robot crunching numbers in a dark room. It's about being a detective, a storyteller, a problem solver. You're the one who uncovers hidden patterns in data, connects the dots, and presents those insights in a way that even your grandma can understand. Your day-to-day will involve collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data from various sources. You'll be using cool tools and techniques to extract meaningful insights that drive business decisions. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, optimize marketing campaigns, or even identify potential risks. That's the power of a data analyst. The best data analysts are also excellent communicators. They can present their findings in a clear, concise, and engaging manner, influencing key stakeholders and driving real impact. You don't need to be a math whiz or coding ninja to get started, but a strong foundation in these areas will give you an edge. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid foundation. Mathematics and statistics are the building blocks of data analysis. They help you understand probability, distributions, and statistical significance. Focus on the fundamentals and build from there. Coding is your superpower in the world of data. Python and R are your best friends here. These languages let you manipulate data, build models, and automate tasks. Tons of resources are available online to help you learn. And let's not forget about Microsoft Excel. Alright guys, it's time to talk tech. As a data analyst, you'll be working with some seriously cool tools and technologies. Think of them as your weapons of choice in the battle against data chaos. First up, we have the heavy hitters, Python and RPython. With its easy-to-learn syntax and vast libraries like pandas and scikit-learn, is perfect for data manipulation, machine learning, and statistical analysis. R, on the other, about thinking critically, solving problems, and extracting meaningful insights from data. Statistical thinking is your secret weapon here. It's about understanding concepts like probability, distributions, and hypothesis testing, which help you separate signal from noise and make data-driven decisions. Analytical thinking, on the other hand, is all about breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable chunks. The best data analysts are like detectives, constantly asking questions, challenging assumptions, and digging deeper to uncover the truth hidden within the data. Developing these skills takes time and practice. Alright guys, it's time to show the world what you're made of. In the world of data, your portfolio is your resume, your business card, your chance to shine. Think of your portfolio as your personal data science exhibition. Start with projects that excite you. Analyze social media trends, predict stock prices, understand customer behavior. These are great starting points. Use platforms like GitHub and Kaggle. GitHub hosts your code and allows collaboration, while Kaggle offers real-world datasets and challenges. Keep adding new projects and refining existing ones. Now, imagine this. You've spent weeks analyzing a complex dataset, uncovered some groundbreaking insights, and now it's time to present your findings to the team. But there's just one problem. They don't speak data. That's where the power of communication comes in, my friends. As a data analyst, it's not enough to just be good with numbers. You need to be able to communicate your findings effectively to both technical and non-technical audiences. Think of yourself as a storyteller, weaving a narrative with data as your words. Use clear, concise language, avoid technical jargon, and focus on the so what. the implications of your findings for the business. Data visualization is your secret weapon here. Alright guys, it's time to get your hands dirty. While theoretical knowledge is important, there's no substitute for real-world experience when it comes to data analysis. Think of it like learning to swim. You can read all the books and watch all the videos, but until you jump in the pool, you'll never truly master the skill. The same goes for data analysis. You need to dive into real-world projects to hone your skills, build your confidence, and gain valuable experience. Internships are a fantastic way to get your foot in the door. Look for internships at companies that excite you, even if they're unpaid or part-time. Freelancing is another great option. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect businesses with freelance data analysts for specific projects. Now, let's talk about the future, guys. Because the world of data is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead of the game, you need to be adaptable, curious, and always eager to learn new things. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data. These are not just buzzwords. They're reshaping the landscape of data analysis. Familiarize yourself with these emerging technologies, understand their potential impact, and explore ways to incorporate them into your skill set. Attend industry conferences, participate in online forums, and follow thought leaders in the field. The more you expose yourself to new ideas and perspectives, the better equipped you'll be to adapt to the ever-changing world of data. Remember, the only constant in the world of data is change, so embrace it, ride the wave, and never stop learning. Now, let's talk about the power of connections, guys. Because in the data world, it's not just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Building a strong professional network can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable insights, and accelerate your career growth. Attend industry events, workshops, and meetups. Gatherings are like data enthusiast conventions, where you can connect with fellow data geeks, learn from experts, and expand your professional circle. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire in the field. Send a personalized LinkedIn message, share your work, ask thoughtful questions, and build genuine connections. Networking is a two-way street, and the more you give, the more you'll receive in return. All right, guys, you've put in the work, honed your skills, and built a killer portfolio. Now it's time to land that dream data analyst role. In this competitive market, stand out with a stellar application. Your resume is your first impression. Showcase your skills and experience. Highlight technical skills, projects, and certifications. Use job description keywords and tailor your resume. Your cover letter should connect personally with the hiring manager. Showcase your personality and align your skills with the company's goals. Congratulations, guys, you're officially on your way to becoming a data analyst extraordinaire. But the journey doesn't end here, my friends. This is just the beginning. The world of data is constantly evolving with new tools, techniques, and challenges emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve and reach your full potential as a data analyst, you need to embrace a mindset of continuous learning and growth. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Seek out mentors who can guide you, and never be afraid to ask questions and learn from your mistakes. So stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and never stop exploring the vast and ever-evolving world of data. Are you ready to transform your passion for data into a rewarding career? Look no further than Vista Academy's Data Analytics program, your one-stop shop for all things data. Our program is designed by industry experts to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and confidence you need to thrive in this exciting field. From Python and SQL to machine learning and data visualization, we've got you covered. Our comprehensive curriculum combines theoretical knowledge with practical applications, ensuring you're job ready from day one. But it's not just about technical skills. We also focus on developing your soft skills, communication, problem solving, and critical thinking, to make you a well-rounded data professional. Plus, our dedicated career support team will help you with your resume, interview preparation, and job search strategy, ensuring you land your dream data analyst role.